Anchor design using ACI. Select Joint to design. Add base plate operation. Adjust base plate and anchor's properties. Save and close the reference connection. Run bulk analysis. Anchor fails the design check. Checking which joint has the worst utilization. Joint 19 has the worst utilization. Checking anchor result of joint 19. Checking anchor force of joint 19. Let's see the detailed calculation of the anchors. Concrete breakout in tension fails the check. The rest pass the checks. So only concrete breakout in tension fails. According to ACI 31819 17.5.2, concrete breakout in tension can be mitigated by adding reinforcement. 17.5.2.1 mentions that strut and tay may be used to design anchor reinforcement. As hand calculations are tedious, let's use IDEA StatiCa Detail to design the anchor with reinforcement. Open the model in IDEA StatiCa Detail to include reinforcement in the anchor model. All the forces will be automatically transferred to detail. What you see here are anchor forces and weld forces. Let's add in our rebar. Since we are modeling only the tip of the stump, let's make the rebar continuous. Adding rebar for the perpendicular direction. Add in stirrups. Since this is the tip of the stump, turn off compression-only support. The analysis has been completed. Anchor design passes the checks if reinforcement is considered. This is the stress flow. Concrete con can be observed. Concrete and rebar stresses can be checked. Rebar anchorage results are also available.